is less than 67. Number 18 says the data is normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Approximately what percent of the data lie between 0 and 2? So I could draw a picture of it. It's a bell-shaped curve. The mean is 0. So that's 0. Standard deviation is 1. So between 1 and negative 1, do you guys remember the numbers that go with this? 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3. Isn't it 68? Yeah. 68%, 95%, and 99%. So they're asking me, so this right here, what I've drawn is 1 standard deviation. If I wanted to keep on going down the line, this would be 2 standard deviations, right? And if I did another one, that's 3 standard deviations. So the question is asking, what percent lie between 0 and 2? Well, yeah, so there's a trick to it. And they're going to start being like that in your book now. So I just, from here to here, that's 2 standard deviations away, right? And we know that that's 95%. So we know from here to here is 95%. But they want to know how many is between 0 and 2. Well, lucky for us, that's half of 95. You know what I mean? It's like, luckily for us, we can just split 95 into half. He's like, oh, but how would you know?
I remember if it was 68, because if it had gone, but then I remember last year Mr. Hendricks told me something about that, and I think he was saying, no, you can't do that, you have to divide by 2, so then that's how I got the 40%.
Does it make sense, or do you guys have questions?
Yeah, that does make sense.
And they're going to ask you more and more questions that are kind of tricky like that. So that's what made me start drawing the pictures. Because if I don't draw the picture, you can still do the problem without the picture, but it's hard to understand what they're asking. So this answer right here is 47.5%. That's the answer for number 18.